How to change email in Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on Instagram. In order to do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on it, and once you reach to this page, here in this middle row, you'll be able to see Edit Profile button. Simply tap on it, and then in this page, you will need to scroll down. At the very bottom, you'll be able to see the option Personal Information Settings. Simply tap on this option, and you will be redirected to your personal details. Here, you will need to tap on this Contact Info option, and then in this page, tap on your current email address. Once you tap on it, now in the next page here, select your Instagram account, and then inside here look for Delete from Instagram option. Once you tap on it, a pop-up will appear. Here it says you will no longer be able to use this email address in order to log in, reset your password, or receive notifications. If you agree with that, tap on this delete option and delete your current email address. After that, you will see you have successfully deleted your email address. Now after deleting it, now you will need to enter your new email address. For that, you will need to return back to this page. Here tap on Add New Contact at the very bottom, and then from these options at the bottom, select this Add Email Address. Now you will need to enter a new email address. Tap on the email box and enter your new email address here. After entering your new email address, here scroll a bit down and select your Instagram account. Tap on the checkbox at the right side of it and tap on Next button below. Now a confirmation code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and once you receive the code, you will need to enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, tap on the Next button right here, and after successful verification of your code, you will see you have successfully updated your email address. So by following these steps, you should be able to change email address in Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.